Hello, and welcome to downtopc.com. Are you searching for premium software, courses, and digital items over the internet but scared of those expensive prices? Thinking about how you can afford those costly digital products for your daily activities? Don't worry, downtopc.com is your ultimate savior. At downtopc.com, you can get several premium software, courses, and digital items at absolutely no cost. That's right, you don't need to visit multiple websites to search for software, courses, and other digital products. At downtopc.com, you get everything under a single umbrella. Downtopc.com is a very secure website, and it's ranking on the first page of Google. So, hurry up, visit downtopc.com and save your money from those expensive costs. By the way, my dear friends, we're using costly and expensive servers to host our website and files. So, we'd be happy if you kindly donate to us through our respective links using USDT, Bitcoin, or LTC. Wish you all the best.